Assalamu alaikum and good morning again to all of my students and whoever is watching this video. I hope and pray that you're all enjoying the day, you're enjoying the lectures and enjoying Ramadan as well. So the teachers are making videos, preparing lectures for you, and they're working very hard. So I always remind you to just subscribe to the channel, yes, and give it a thumbs up. And do share the videos with your friends because that is very, very, very important because you care about your friends. So, and this is the month of caring, so that is even much, much better to share it with your friends. And I hope you're all liking the videos and the lectures we are making and preparing for you. So it's good to give the videos a thumbs up because that's the only favor which we're asking for. And we will even making lots and lots of videos for you, all the colorful, interactive, knowledgeable videos which you're going to enjoy learning. So the only small favor we're asking you, just subscribe and give it thumbs up, okay? So we are in a numeracy class today, and we did measurement, right? The non-traditional measurement that people used to measure in olden times. They used to measure with handspans like this. This is the measurement. Are you going to use the handspan they use, or they use this, right? Like this portion they use, or maybe they do like this, like this, hand up like this. Yeah. So there are like many non-traditional ways people used to measure with, but then comes the measuring tape and things change. So now people measure with this. People have weights to measure. People have machines to measure. People have like so many different things to measure. But right now we are just going to measure things like that, because like when we were people measuring things, somebody has small hands, somebody has big hands, so that was not the accurate measuring. So if you look at this, my hand measures to this point, and maybe this will like a full hand span, and then I think the half hand span, yeah, almost the half hand span, right? So, but if you'll be doing that, maybe you will have your 3 hand spans over here because your hands are very small, cute. So everybody's hand span measurement is different, right? So today we're going to compare the things which are long and which are longer, and we will see how are they different from each other, right? So let's say if you look at this marker, you have this marker, right? This is long. Right, it's not short, this is long. But if you look at the other marker, that is longer, right? This is long also, but when we compare it with this is longer. Yeah, this is longer. So this is how we compare things. This is fat even, like thick, and this is thin, right? So this is long and this is longer. And if there be something which will be even more than that, that will be longest, okay? So there are like a couple of things which we can measure. Like we have a long brush. This is long. And then, oh my God, this is longer. See, if you compare it, long brush and the longer brush, right? And in the same way, if we may compare these two, we have got a pencil, long pencil, and then we have a longer pencil. Yeah, long but longer. See, this is long, but this is longer. So this is how we compare different things, right? So in the same way, we're going to do the exercise today. And for that, we are going to take out our Mathswise book 3. Yes, right? So all of you take out your Mathswise book 3. So we will be doing the exercise. We did some yesterday as well. So we're going to do the next. And you're going to take out page number 20. Right, okay? So everybody take out page number 20. Yes. Good, good, good. Yeah. Okay, now what do you see on page number 20? On the top, you see two girls over here, right? The first girl's name is Fariha, and she is Samiha. I think they're sisters, Fariha and Samiha, right? The two girls, I think they're sisters, maybe friends. So this says that long and longer. How are you going to find long and longer? Now look at the ponytails. Now they say Fariha's ponytail is long, but Samiha's ponytail is even longer. Yay, right? Now look at your book carefully. Look at Fariha's ponytail and look at Samiha's ponytail. Yeah, now compare them. Fariha's ponytail is, yes, long, not very short. It's not short, but Samiha's ponytail is even long and even coming on the shoulder. So you can compare that with your sister, maybe your cousin, maybe your friend, maybe your mommy even, that whose ponytail is long, right? Okay, now look at the next picture. There is a snake whose name is Slimy and the other one is Slippy. Now there are two snakes, they're two friends. Now they say the Slimy is long, right? Yes, Slimy is long, but the Slippy is longer. Yay, that's good. Slimy is long, he's not even short. He's long, but Slippy is longer. Yeah, that's great. Okay, that is lovely. So see, there's some things which are long and other which are even longer, right? So I'm just I'm going to share with you a picture. So just want you to have a look at the pictures so we can see how we are going to compare the things, right? So you are even going to have a look at them and see where is that? Because we have to compare the things, right? And there are, I'm going to show you a couple of pictures as I'm showing you in the book right now, right? So we'll just see that the concept of long and longer, how we can clear the concept of long and longer, right? So I'm just taking out that to show you, just a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen and I'll show you the picture, okay? Now have a look at this. Open up, yeah. Okay, so just have a look at this. Now there are 4 things you can see. Now, as usual, as I showed you the pencil, you can see the pencil, right? There are 2 pencils. One is long and the other is longer. Now you're going to tell me which one is longer, the upper one or the lower one. The one which is down, is that longer, or the one is one which is up? Which one is longer? Yeah, the upper one is longer pencil. Okay, that's great. Now just look down the pencils. There are 2 rulers, right? There are 2 rulers. One is long and the other is longer. Now which one is longer? Yeah, the upper one is longer ruler. Yeah, that's great. Okay, now have a look at the eraser over here. Yeah, these erasers, there are 2 erasers. Now which one is longer? The upper one or the lower one? Yeah, the lower one is longer. That's great. Okay, now look at the crayons. There are 2 crayons. There's one blue crayon and the other is green crayon. Now, which one is longer? The blue crayon or the green crayon? Yay, yes, the blue is not long. Yeah, blue is long, but the green is longer, right? So long and longer. That's great. So I hope you understand while looking at the pictures. Okay, so I'm just going to share another picture with you so you can have a look at this. Just a minute. I'm going to share. Okay, see? Oh, wow. There are 2 spades. Can you see the spades? Yeah, you can see the spades. Okay, now there are 2 spades. Now you're going to tell me the right one is longer or the left one is longer. Yeah, the left one is longer. Okay, now there are bones. Can you see these? Yes, here. That's great. Now, is this long? Yeah, this is long, and this is longer. Yeah, this one is longer. Now, have a look at this, the leaves, right? We have two leaves. Now, this one is long, and the other one is longer. Yeah, that's great. So again, we have pencils. Now, that's very easy for you to see which one is longer, right? Upper one or the lower one? Yeah, the lower one is longer. That's great. Okay, let's look at the final picture. We're going to have a look at this. Now we are going to just see which one is longer. Okay, again, we have pencil. Okay, let's forget about the pencil. We're going to look at the ruler. Okay, and there are two blue rulers. Now, which one you're going to take? The upper one or the lower one? Which one is longer? Yes, we're going to take the lower one. That's great. Okay, now look at these branches. The two branches, like maybe twigs. Which one is longer? Which one you're going to make take? The longer one. The one which is up or the one which is down? Yay, the one which is down. Okay, we have two combs over here. So we are going to click one, which is longer. And now you're going to tell me which one is longer, the one which is above or one which is lower. Like the upper one is longer or the lower one? Yay, the upper one is longer. So we're going to click the upper one. That is great. That is super great. So you got the idea that which one is long and which one is longer, right? So we're going to do the next exercise over here. This says, oh, now this says color the longer brush. So we already did that. Brushes. So you have to color the longer brush. They've got two brush. They've got even two brush over here. Yes. Just have a look at this. They've got two brush. One is this and one is this. Now, which one are you going to color? Which one is longer? Is this? No, this. Yeah, you're going to color this one. Okay. That's great. Okay, now the next one, you're going to take the longer pen. This one or this one? This one, long. And the other one is longer. So you can take the longer one. Okay, let's take the longer one. That's great. Okay, now over here, now you're going to color the longer pencil. Again, pencil. Oh my God. Okay, that's great. So we got two pencils. One is here and the other is here. Now, which one is longer? This one is longer. This one is longer. Yeah, you're going to color this. Yeah, you're going to color this. That's good. That's good. And then you have two rulers over here. Now you have to go look at this very carefully because there's a less difference. So now take the longer ruler. Now look carefully. Look carefully which one is longer. You think this one is longer or this one is longer? Which one? This one? Yay, this one is longer. So you're going to take this, right? Okay, that's great. That is super great. So I hope you get the idea. There are some things were long, but then the things come which are even longer than those, right? So we can easily compare them. So this was our numeracy class today in which we did even measurements. We could compare the things. So you're going to even compare the things in your kitchen. Even you can compare some spoons are long, but some are very long. Some forks are long, but some are very long. Some pastas are long, but some are very long noodles, right? You can even compare many things in your home, maybe like your books, your pencils, your crayons, to see which things are long and which are longer than that. Okay. So that was amazing. We did the comparison. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and I'll see you each. We'll see each other in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. And we will meet soon, inshallah, tomorrow. Till then, Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.